Hi. Welcome to The Meditation Way. Before watching this video about meditation, don't forget to subscribe for more free videos about meditation. So now let's start. Beginner's Guide to Meditation. Meditation is an act by which an individual seeks to control focus and awareness through the use of specific techniques, in this case, mindfulness, and awareness of self and environment, focusing the mind on something, an object, or thought, and achieving a state of mental calmness and inner peace. For the individual using this method, it may take many weeks or months to develop this skill, but it will be worth it. Some of the meditation techniques are quite simple to learn and practice, but others involve more elaborate techniques that an individual must master to fully benefit from them. For instance, there is the yoga meditations technique, in which the practitioner engages in a form of yoga in which they focus the mind to the specific positions and poses. This type of meditation involves various postures that help the practitioner in achieving inner peace. One must also understand how to breathe and relax in order to practice yoga meditation, although one can easily do so in a relaxed state. There are many different types of meditation techniques that an individual can employ for themselves. Some are more focused on relaxation, while others focus more on achieving inner peace. The most popular techniques are the Zen, Hatha, and other traditional forms of meditation. Many of these techniques include a variety of breathing techniques that are used to induce a state of inner peace. When learning new techniques for meditation, it is important to keep in mind that relaxation and focus are vital aspects of this type of technique. There are also different levels of difficulty when practicing meditation. Some people simply need to learn some basic techniques and learn to stay relaxed, while others require much greater levels of skill to practice this technique. While there are many people who learn to meditate on their own, it is usually advisable to seek the assistance of a professional to help you achieve the results that you desire. The professional can help to give you insight into what type of meditation will work best for your personal goals and how to learn this art. Different people have different skills when it comes to this type of practice. The more advanced practitioners often prefer to use visualization techniques to help them focus and relax their minds in order to reach their goals and maintain a state of inner peace. Some will have a specific meditation technique that works well with them, while others will require a combination of meditation techniques in order to accomplish the desired results. In addition, there are many different meditations that can be used, and many of them have different benefits. It is important to research which ones will work best for each individual as well as their level of experience and skill. Meditating can be done at home, while at work, and even while you are at school. One of the most common types of meditation is yoga meditation, which is often used as a relaxation technique. In this form of meditation, the individual utilizes deep breathing techniques to bring the mind and body into a meditative state. This is the type of meditation that is best for beginners to learn, since it does not require any complicated poses. Although many people meditate in order to achieve long-term goals in their lives, some of them practice it simply because they find it relaxing and calm. Whatever the reason, meditation is definitely an essential tool in achieving inner peace. In addition, there are different levels of skill that can be attained in meditation. For example, the more advanced meditators will have greater control over their breathing and will be able to focus and relax without the use of visualizations or the use of any props. While it may take some practice, anyone can learn to meditate, and the best way to do this is through self-guided meditation. Learning to do this type of practice on your own can provide you with much needed insight into your daily routine. Whether you are using visualizations or the use of props, you can learn to relax and learn to use meditation to reach the goals that you have set for yourself. It is important to remember that meditation involves focusing your mind and focusing your eyes to focus on a single point. Although many people focus on their breathing or the surrounding environment during this practice, you will learn to focus on a single thought or image without the use of props and focus your attention solely on a single thought. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about meditation.